could you then describe the details of the Scrum framework?
Yes, sure. That's a very good point. We haven't talked about it yet. So in Scrum framework, we have a few elements that are forming a frame, and all the details around those frameworks is something that you have to uncover. You have to learn. You have to find practices that will help you fill the gap, because Scrum might be a pretty itchy in that way that it does not give you many answers. Actually, it generates questions. But guess what? This is how it was designed, to give you the right questions, to inspire you to take responsibility for your own life, for your own challenge problem. So in Scrum, we have 5 events. We have 3 accountabilities. We have 3 artifacts with their corresponding commitments. We also have 5 values, and we have three pillars. Those elements, on one hand, forms our foundation and frame, and on the other, they give us inspiration, because, as I told you, it's about asking questions, but also it's about giving us some kind of a compass. So we have in Scrum 5 events, as I told you. We have sprint. Sprint might be seen as some kind of iteration, relatively short time box, up to 1 month or less. And in every single sprint, we are supposed to learn something. We are supposed to deliver useful, usable product increment, so a version of our product that can help us learn, that can help us close the feedback loop, collaborate with potential users, customers, with our stakeholders. Inside the sprint, because it's a time box, 1 month or less, we have our Scrum heartbeat. Each sprint starts with sprint planning, where we want to plan what we are going to do in this upcoming iteration. We also create our compass, I would say local compass for the iteration. So this is sprint goal, the goal that we should follow. After sprint planning, actual sprint work starts. Every single day, our Scrum team, people working in the Scrum framework, they are having another event. This is called Daily Scrum, where developers, people who turn ideas into solutions according to Scrum framework, they regularly meet every day for 15 minutes or less, and they talk about the progress of their work, what they can do in the upcoming 24 hours to move closer to the sprint goal. You may see it as some kind of a short feedback loop, mini planning feedback loop that also hold our developers accountable. Like we should follow our compass and regularly check where we are.